Have you been wondering which platform you should be building your business on? If you are a content creator, a YouTuber, a any kind of a naturopath, doctor's office, I talk to so many people who have all these different websites. They've got different platforms. They've got marketing agencies that are helping them with their CRMs, their funnels, things like that. And I want you to bring it all into one place. In fact, just this week, I've helped 2 doctors' offices bring all of their stuff into one place. Now, the system that I want to talk to you about is called GoHighLevel. And if you are in business and you have a CRM and you've maybe been partnering with a different marketing agency, chances are they're actually selling you GoHighLevel. They are it's called white labeling it, which means they have purchased this software. They've just thrown their labels on it. They've actually gone in and toggled off some of the features and gatekeeped some of the things that are in there so that you only see a few small things and you can only use the features that you're actually paying for, and they're charging you so much more. This program is amazing. It's actually only $97 a month and it does all the different things. And so I want to talk to you a little bit about why you should think about getting your own GHL account and not partnering up with a marketing agency that's charging you. First of all, I don't think I've talked to any doctor's offices, chiropractors, people who are hiring marketing agencies in the last year who are paying for those marketing services that are not using this platform. They just have no idea that it's GHL and that it's being marked up to $297, $497, $597. I mean, it's shocking to me because you can actually have your own platform, and guess what? The marketing agencies that work with you, they can log in and use that platform the same as the one that they are actually upcharging you for. So here's some of the reasons why you want to get your own GHL account. If you are, let's say, a course creator and you have dreams, or maybe you've already created a course, but you're wanting to bring it off of Thinkific or Kajabi because you've got registrations there, but you've also got your funnels here, and then you've got your websites here, and you want it all in one place. GHL it's exactly what you want. You can do stores on there, communities, all of the different things. And the key is you'll have one main place where all of your contacts are. It's where all of your appointments can be made. It's where all of your funnels are housed, your website. So you don't need to log in to 25 different places. And you don't need another marketing agency that's charging you an extra $400, $500 to use their CRM. You can actually own this platform. Now, the reason why this is kind of a newer thing is when GHL first came out, it was specific for marketing experts. This was what the marketing experts were using. And it was a little bit harder to get in and program things, but it's so easy now. They've made it so simple, like connecting domains and setting up your email. That used to be complicated and it's not anymore. So you have what it takes to jump in and get your own GHL. So what does that mean? This means that you'll go from paying $97, $197, $297, $597, depending on what the agency is charging you currently, to you'll start paying $97, and you will actually, instead of having just one account, you will have access to 3. And you own the content, the platform. You don't have an agency that says, oh, we own this, or a marketing terms and conditions that say everything that you put on there, we have access to and we own, which I have seen many times in terms and conditions. So here's the truth. When you sign up for a white label version of GoHighLevel, the marketing agency that has white labeled that, you actually don't own your account. They do. So they can lock you out. They can change prices. They can build in into their business some of the things that you're doing. They can take your contacts, all of these things. So what happens if you decide to get in and own it yourself? This is when you change everything because you become 100% responsible for all of your things. And then you can actually have marketing agencies that help you instead of like just charge you for something that you don't even know how to use. You own your own automations, funnels, contacts. You can connect all of the different domains that you want. You can do as many websites. You can send as many emails. You can charge for any of the products. You have unlimited amounts of products that you can create and charge for. You control all the data, you control all the pricing. So a lot of marketing agencies, they might be charging you on a monthly basis, but they also are upcharging you for any time you send email or you're sending a text message. When you get your own GHL, you don't have to upcharge yourself. You get to like just keep it at the 97 a month. So you're not limited by someone else's plan or permissions. And this is very important because just this week I was in someone's GHL account and I logged in. It looks the same. So if you have been using a different marketing platform and they've been white labeling GHL, you're going to know exactly how to get into GHL, except you're going to have way more options. This particular account had everything toggled off except for contacts and I want to say automations. They didn't have access to funnels, membership sites, like any of the amazing things that come for $97. So you become the architect, not the tenant. This is like going from renting to owning. And you don't have to worry about like an owner like losing their passion or changing their terms and conditions or just shutting down overnight. This is about creating a business that is portable and it's scalable and it's yours forever. If you decide to hire an agency later, great. You can just add them as a user into your system, not the other way around, which is what agencies are doing. And they're charging so much for it. So it is the difference between building your brand and building someone else's brand. And I know personally because I built on a white label agency for almost 5 years. And guess what? They have all of my contacts, all of my information, all of my courses, everything, because I built it on their platform. And in their terms and conditions, it says that what's on their platform is theirs. So if you're ready to take control of your funnels and automations and growth, then I want you to check out my 30-day free trial link. If you click on this button below, the summerschool.com/join GHL, that's actually going to take you to a landing page that will have a video of me on there and I'm explaining the different links below. You'll have one where you can actually sign up for GHL. The next one will be our community. And the one under that will be to get access to all of our membership site. And within that, not only when you join GHL through Summer School, you actually get access to a live group. This is not just training. This is every week I get on live. You get to jump into our group and we strategize every week. I go over a different part of GHL. I do not want to leave you alone. I want you to have the support that you need to own your own business, all aspects of it. We are not giving it away to anybody. We are going to protect your business. We're going to make sure that you have that security and we're going to help you achieve your goals. So when you show up to these classes, not only will you be learning about GHL, but you're also going to be learning like whatever it is that you want. If you want to create a course, come and ask me. I've done this. I've done millions of dollars of sales in courses. I've created very successful communities. I've created awesome subscription programs. I've done this all. I've also done a couple awesome YouTube channels. So I know how to monetize that. And the key is having the system. And this is why the live coaching is so valuable. So normally I charge $6,000 a year to be in my live coaching, but you will get it for free if you join GHL using my link. And I will then become your mentor to help you set your system up. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And if you're looking for more trainings, they're going to pop up right here. Hopefully you will be able to find lots of value in them. Reach out if you've got any questions. Go ahead and check out GHL for free for the next 30 days. You can get access to the trainings and everything if you go to summerschool.com/ either GHL, if you want to go straight to GHL, or if you want to get all the different things, then go to summerschool.com/ join-GHL. Okay, we will see you in our next video. I am so excited to see what you're going to create. Bye.